Welcome DataVare EML to Gmail Converter Expert, fast, secure, and reliable solution to import EML files directly into your Gmail account. Highlighted features of DataVare EML to Gmail Converter Expert. Lightning Bolt for instant and safe uploading. Stack of files for bulk EML import. Supports all EML formats. Compatible with latest Windows OS. Enjoy instant and secure uploading. Import EML files in bulk and get full compatibility with all EML formats, all on the latest Windows operating systems. Let's walk through the conversion process. Step 1, download and install the application on your Windows PC. Once installed, launch it from your desktop. Step 2, to add your EML files. Choose between file mode or folder mode and use the Browse button to select files from your local storage. Step 3, securely authenticate your Gmail account by entering your credentials. Then click Authenticate Me to connect. Step 4, choose your destination. You can select an existing folder or create a new one in your Gmail account. And finally, step 5, click on Start Uploading and let the software handle the rest. Your EML files are now safely in your Gmail account. DataVare EML to Gmail Converter Expert, fast, secure, hassle-free. For more info, visit our website. Thanks for watching.